But one of the biggest things that people don't realize, protection is a very big thing. So at Bell's Accounting and Tax Services, we believe in protecting your information and keeping it private. That's why I decided to start working with Congress and working with the President and all of them to make sure that we keep your information private. That's right. Your information is private and safe. So if you want somebody to keep your stuff safe, you need to see Randy at Bell's Accounting, Tax, and Notary Service, where we believe in you. Now, stay tuned for more information. But don't forget, subscribe, comment, like, and share, because we are always here.
A beacon of hope, Kamala Harris, and the fight for tax privacy. Kamala Harris is a fighter. She's a champion for the people, and she knows how important it is to protect everyday Americans. One of the ways she's doing that is by fighting for tax privacy. Now, I know what you're thinking, taxes? Boring? But trust me on this one, tax privacy is a big deal. It's about protecting your personal information from hackers, scammers, and anyone else who might want to use it for the wrong reasons. Kamala Harris gets it. She understands that your tax information is sensitive and needs to be protected. That's why she's been such a strong advocate for strengthening tax privacy laws and regulations. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more important updates like this one. Understanding tax privacy. Why should we care? Okay, let's break this down. What exactly is tax privacy, and why should you care? In a nutshell, tax privacy means keeping your financial information safe and sound. Think about all the stuff on your tax return, your social security number, your income, your investments. It's sensitive stuff. Now imagine that information falling into the wrong hands. Hackers could steal your identity, scammers could drain your bank account, and who knows what else. Not good, right? That's why tax privacy matters. It's about protecting yourself and your family from financial harm. The stakes are high. Potential threats to your tax information. Let's get real for a minute. The threats to your tax information are real, and they're getting more sophisticated by the day. We're talking about cyber criminals, data breaches, and even identity theft rings. These guys are no joke. They're constantly looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities in the system and get their hands on your valuable data. And let's be honest, the IRS is a big target. They've got a ton of information on millions of Americans. That's why it's more important than ever to have strong tax privacy laws and regulations in place. We need to make it as hard as possible for these bad actors to succeed. Section 4, Kamala Harris takes charge. A vision for a more secure future. Kamala Harris isn't just talking the talk. She's walking the walk. She's being a vocal advocate for strengthening tax privacy laws and regulations. She's called for increased funding for cybersecurity at the IRS, tougher penalties for identity thieves, and better education for taxpayers about how to protect themselves. But it's not just about playing defense. Harris believes that technology can also be a powerful tool for improving tax privacy. She's a big supporter of using encryption and other technologies to safeguard taxpayer data. Section 5, Real-World Impact. How Harris's initiatives protect everyday Americans. Okay, so we've talked about the threats and the solutions, but how does this all actually impact you, the everyday American? Let me give you an example. Remember the Equifax data breach a few years back? Yeah, not good. Millions of people had their personal information compromised, including their social security numbers. Now, imagine if that had happened to the IRS. It would have been a nightmare. But thanks to the work of people like Kamala Harris, the IRS has been able to strengthen its cybersecurity and protect taxpayer data. That's just one example of how Harris's commitment to tax privacy is making a real difference in the lives of everyday Americans. Every day. Section 6. The bigger picture. Tax privacy in the digital age. Here's the thing. Tax privacy isn't just about protecting your money. It's also about protecting your privacy in the digital age. Think about it. Your tax return contains a ton of information about you, your family, and your life. It's not just about how much you make. It's about where you work, where you live, and even what kind of investments you're making. That's a lot of personal information. In today's digital world, where data is constantly being collected, shared, and sold, it's more important than ever to protect your privacy. And your tax information is a big part of that. Section 7. Securing our future, the enduring importance of tax privacy. At the end of the day, tax privacy is about more than just protecting your money. It's about protecting your rights, your freedoms, and your future. It's about ensuring that your personal information remains just that, personal. Kamala Harris understands this. She knows that tax privacy is essential to a fair and just society, and she's committed to fighting for it every step of the way. So, the next time you hear someone talking about tax privacy, don't tune it out. Pay attention, because this is about you, your family, and your future. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let's keep fighting for a more secure tomorrow.